Hey guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauryne if this is your first time here. And today I'm very excited because I got a new apartment and I wanted to show you guys around. So if you want to see my empty apartment, please keep watching. So come on in guys. Welcome to our home. Are you very excited? I feel like you're very I'm very excited to be sharing the space with a good friend of ours and my sister Renee. We're excited. We're going to be doing a bunch of different things in the city, so we wanted to move closer out here in Atlanta, but y'all didn't come here for that. Y'all came here to see the apartment. So when you first walk in, right on this side, we have the laundry room. We got really lucky to have a laundry unit inside the apartment, so I'm very excited about that. We don't have to walk or leave the apartment to do our laundry. And right on the right is the master bedroom. So here it is. It's very nice and spacious. It has the one big window, and here is the master bathroom. Very nice, spacious.
The water closet.
Yeah, the water closet. And then this is the bathroom.
Really nice.
Wow. Gotta make sure to turn off all the lights because you don't want that electric bill to go up. So you come on out. My favorite part of the whole apartment.
You want me to come in like this way?
Huh?
I'm coming like this way.
Yeah. It's the kitchen!
Ooh.
I love the kitchen. Now, Renee will be the first to tell you that the kitchen was the main thing that sold her on this place. Because look at the countertops, guys. It's awesome. And then we have stainless steel appliances. Black and stainless steel, and then the beautiful white cabinets with the silver hardware and cutting boards. So we're real excited about that. And then leaving the kitchen is kind of like the dining room area, we have the dining table that's gonna go here, and then first here is the living area. So I love the natural lighting that comes from these windows. It's gonna make for great content creation, so I'm excited about that. And just for living in a space, it's really great to have natural lighting. So that's my favorite part. So this side of the house has two more bathrooms. No. But on this side of the house, you have two more bedrooms and an additional bathroom. So right here is the Jack and Jill. Not necessarily Jack and Jill. It's just an additional bathroom.
Well, it's kind of Jack to Lene.
Yeah.
But no deal for you.
Yeah, not for me, yeah. So, nice bathroom. The same granite and the cabinet right here. I love the light fixture right here. It's very bright.
So pretty.
And the mirror is really nice.
And then I love the granite counters.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Love that. Ooh, look at all the light in this room.
Wow.
So big. So pretty. And then this is the closet for this room. It goes very deep and it has a lot of storage space. So, and then we have an overhead fan and lighting that's really great. You wouldn't think that that's a That would be a selling factor in an apartment. You would think, oh, that's a given, but there are a lot of places that don't come with overhead lighting or fans or stuff like that. So
Especially in the city.
yeah, we're very happy to have that. This is just a linen closet.
And this,
Oh.
and this
What's
comes
up?
with a brother.
What's up?
It comes with
MTV Cribs.
No.
Shut up, Wayne.
What's up? My Instagram app once again is gonna pop up right
No,
here.
it's
You're so
not.
stupid.
Follow. Add me on Snapchat. That's also right here, dog.
Who the smell?
I'm also an aspiring SoundCloud rapper.
Oh
Listen to
my
my
God.
music. link in the
Stop, Wayne. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Bye, Wayne.
So this is the final room of the apartment, and this has 2 windows when all the other ones have just 1. So that's great. Oh snap! I
Hey.
don't think I'll use that very often. I'm
Yeah.
gonna let or
Could
just use
you-
the natural lighting.
Can you do like just the fan and not the light? Is that?
Probably. I'm sure you could probably do that.
Wow.
It's so weird. There's carpet in the bedrooms and then hardwood throughout the rest of the apartment. So I'm very excited.
It is so beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, enjoy that square footage.
Yeah, before all the furniture comes in.
I know.
So guys, this was it. This is our apartment. I'm so excited. If you all enjoyed it, please leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Lisa.